Welcome back to the 2026 APAC's Health Summit. I'm Tanya Layden, Vice President of Development and External Affairs at APEX. Our next panel is From Guam to Flushing, Mapping Health Disparities Across Our Communities. This panel will explore how remote location, elder care needs, chronic disease management, and limited healthcare infrastructure can create disparities for certain communities. I'm honored to introduce CAPEC's second vice chair, Congresswoman Jill Tokuda, who represents Hawaii's 2nd Congressional District. Congresswoman Tokuda is a ranking member on the Subcommittee on Conservation, Research, and Biotechnology on the House Committee on Agriculture. As a member of the Rural Health Caucus, she is a strong advocate for policies that aim to improve the delivery of healthcare and mental health services in rural areas. Please join me in welcoming Congresswoman Tokuda.
Aloha Apex Ohana. So if you've ever wondered what's between Guam and Flushing, let's find out. Hawaii. Yes, Hawaii is between Flushing and Guam. And as you can imagine, I would have rather have been on a nice sunny beach, and that was the plan. But sadly, we have been extremely devastated by a series of kona lows here in Hawaii. You may have seen it on the news. And I bring this up because oftentimes, whether it's a global pandemic or natural disasters, our ANHPI community often has high disparities in terms of our ability to get health care that we need. Mortality rates are a lot higher, and a lot of it comes down to the fact that our healthcare system is not culturally sensitive to us. There is oftentimes a lot of historical trauma embedded in our communities that make us less trusting, whether it's of vaccines or going to the doctors. Language is often a barrier. There are so many reasons that oftentimes ANHPI communities are the ones that suffer the most when it absolutely could be 100% preventable.